Hi students, welcome to my channel. Now today we are discussing about first year mathematics A. So here we have to first 7 marks weightage. So first of all here we have to 7 marks from these chapters. So first one functions and mathematical induction 1 question, matrices 2 questions, product of vector and trigonometric transforms and ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్. సో మనం ఇక్కడ చూసుకునేది ఉంటే అకార్డింగ్ టు 7 మార్క్ క్వశ్చన్. సో మోస్ట్ మనకు ఎక్కువ వెయిటేజ్ వచ్చిన చాప్టర్ ఏంటిదండి మనకు మ్యాట్రిసెస్. సో మనకు మ్యాట్రిసెస్లో 2 7 మార్క్ క్వశ్చన్స్. సో హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు 3 మెథడ్స్. వన్ ఈజ్ క్రామర్స్ రూల్, సెకండ్ వన్ ఈజ్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఇన్వర్షన్ మెథడ్, నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ వన్ Gauss-Jordan. 3 methods will get 1 7 mark question. Compulsory 1 7 mark question and from these 3 methods. Next another 7 mark question like properties of determinants. Now we are discussing about one most important 7 mark question like Cramer's rule. Now let us discuss. So now we discuss about Cramer's rule question. So here we have to question, solve the equations x minus y plus 3z is equals to 5, 4x plus 2y minus z is equals to 0, minus x plus 3y plus z is equals to 5. So now you need to solve the given equation by using Cramer's rule. So how to find out the x, y, z value? Solve the equation means you need to find out x, y, z. 3 values you need to find out by using the Cramer's rule. So now first of all the given equation notation. So these are the given equation. Now these 3 given equations converted into matrix notation. So what is the matrix notation and Ax is equals to D. The matrix notation is Ax is equals to D. So you need to write down matrix A, matrix X and matrix D. So first of all, what is the matrix A? How to write the matrix A from the given equation? So the matrix A is defined as simply you need to write down the coefficients of x, y, z variables. Coefficient of x, y, z variables. So according to first equation, x coefficient 1, y coefficient minus 1, z coefficient 3. So 1 minus 1 3 first row. According to second equation, x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient 4 2 minus 1. According to third equation, x coefficient minus 1, y coefficient 3, z coefficient 1. So minus 1, 3, 1. So what is the A matrix? The coefficients of x, y, z variables. Next x matrix. The equation is given in the variables x, y, z. The variables are represented as x matrix, x, y, z. Then last one, at RHS side we have two constant values. What are the constant values? 5, 0, 5. So that is the constant matrix D. So A matrix, X matrix and D matrix. Now by Cramer's rule. So according to Cramer's rule, we have 3 formulas. One is x is equals to delta 1 by delta, y is equals to delta 2 by delta, z is equals to delta 3 by delta. Now you need to find out delta, delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. So here the common term is the delta. Delta is common term. So first you need to find out the delta value. The delta means you need to apply the determinant for the given matrix A. The delta means you need to apply the determinant for the given matrix A. So here the determinant representation is mod. So now this is the 3 by 3 matrix. Now 3 by 3 matrix converted into 2 by 2 matrix. Why? Because there is no process for the determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix. So first the 3 by 3 matrix converted into 2 by 2 matrix. First of all, the given 3 by 3 matrix convert into 2 by 2 matrix. So how to convert Andy? So you need to write down the 2 by 2 matrix for the first row elements. First row elements only you need to write down the 2 by 2 matrix. Now first step, the first element compulsory plus Andy, plus undala. First element compulsory plus sign. You need to write down the 2 by 2 matrix. Second element compulsory minus undali. So already manaki ikkada ఏ element undi -1. Next you need to write down the 2 by 2 matrix for the third element. So first element plus, second element minus, third element compulsory plus. So here element is 3. So this is the process andi. So how to write the 2 by 2 matrix for the first row elements? So compulsory first element sign plus, second element sign minus. So already element ku minus undi kabatti you need to mention the minus in bracket notation. Next third element plus sign. So now write down the 2 by 2 for the first element. So how to write the first element 2 by 2 matrix? Simply the elements belongs to which row? That is belongs to first row. So you need to close the first row. The element belongs to first column. Simply the element belongs to which row and which column you need to close it. So here first element అనేది first row and first column. So ఇవి రెండింటిని మనం క్లోజ్ చేస్తే రిమైనింగ్ మనకు ఏం ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయండి ఇక్కడ మనకు 2 -1 3 1. Next -1 belongs to first row. So you need to close it. Next -1 belongs to second column. Remaining elements are 4 -1 -1 1. 4 -1 -1 1. Next third element. So again third element belongs to first row and last column. First row and last column. You will get 2 by 2 matrix. What is the 2 by 2 matrix? 4 2 -1 3. So this is the conversion of the 3 by 3 matrix to 2 by 2 matrix. So now my 2 by 2 matrix formula enti ani doubt vastundi. So A B C D. This is the 2 by 2 matrix. So the determinant procedure. Determinant formula entidandi? A into D minus B into C. This is the formula for determinant for the 2 by 2 matrix. AD minus BC. Now compare with AB CD. AB CD. AB CD. Now apply. Plus 1. Now 2 into 1 AD minus BC minus 1 into 3. Next minus into minus plus andi. Plus 1. Next again AD 4 into 1 minus BC minus 1 into minus 1. Last plus 3. Again AD 4 into 3 minus BC 2 into minus 1. Next plus 1. 2 ones are 2 minus into minus plus ఇక్కడ మనకు 2 signs కనిపిస్తున్నాయండి. సో ఫస్ట్ యూ నీడ్ టు మల్టిప్లై ద 2 signs. మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్ 1 3s are 3 ప్లస్ 1 4 1s are 4. సేమ్ ఇక్కడ కూడా అండి మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ఏంటిదండి ప్లస్ ప్లస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ మైనస్ 1 1s are 1 ప్లస్ 3 4 3s are 12. Again minus into minus plus 2 1s are 2. సో ఇక్కడ చెక్ చేసుకునండి ప్లస్ ఇంటూ ప్లస్ 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 ఇంటూ మైనస్ 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 ఇంటూ ప్లస్ మైనస్ మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్. So by using these 4 operations you need to calculate the determinant value of the given matrix. So here compare these 3 terms. Here in between these 2 terms addition subtraction operation is existed. Whenever you need to add or subtract any two numbers, you need to follow the three rules. What are the three rules? First, you need to multiply the signs in between two numbers. Place into place. Place into place ఏంటండి ప్లస్ 2 plus 3 5. Next, highest term sign is the plus only. So 3 steps. First step is you need to multiply the signs, plus into plus only. Second step, add the given numbers 2 plus 3 5. Third step, what is the highest term is that is mentioned. Next, plus 1 plus into minus minus 4 minus 1 3. Highest term sign is plus. Plus 3 again plus into plus only. 12 plus 2 14. What is the highest term? 12. What is the sign? Plus. All of you got it? So here simply you need to mention the highest term of the given number. That is operation like addition or subtraction in between the any two numbers. Now here 1 into 5. Here in between these two numbers, what is the operation is existed? Multiplication operation. So according to multiplication, very simple. Place into place. Place into place. Place only. 1 5 is a 5. Place into place. Place only. 1 3 is a 3. Place into place. Place only. 3 14 is a 42. So finally 42 plus 3 45. 45 plus 5 50. So what is the delta value is existed? Delta is equals to 50. So all of you got it? Compare these two steps only. So here in between these two terms, addition or subtraction, so simply you need to follow the three rules. In between these two numbers, multiplication, so simply one single rule. Plus into plus only. 1 5 is a. Plus into plus only. 1 3 is a. Plus into plus only. 3 14 is a 42. So final ga here all terms are plus only. 42 plus 3 45 plus 5 50. So what is the highest term andi? 42. What is the 42 sign? Plus only. So finally you will get delta value is 50. So here delta value is completed. Next you need to find out the delta 1 and delta 2 and delta 3. Same procedure andi, but first you need to write down the determinant matrix for the delta 1 and delta 2 and delta 3. So here observe delta 1 and delta 2 and delta 3. So here delta 1. How to write delta 1 matrix? From the matrix A. So delta 1. 1 means you need to remove the first column of given matrix A. Instead of first column of the matrix A, you need to substitute the constant matrix. First column em rastundandi 5 0 5 constant matrix. Then remaining same as it is. Minus 1 2 3 3 minus 1 1. Okay na? All of you got it? So delta 1 ఏం చేస్తున్నామండి? ఫస్ట్ కాలమ్ ను రిమూవ్ చేసి అక్కడ ఏం యాడ్ చేయాలి? మనం కాన్స్టాంట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ని యాడ్ చేయాలి. సో ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ కాలమ్ కాన్స్టాంట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్, దెన్ రిమైనింగ్ టూ కాలమ్స్ సేమ్ as it is. Now next delta 2. Delta 2 means you need to write down the delta 2 matrix. How to write? Remove the second column, then add constant matrix 5 0 5. Then first column 1 4 minus 1 3 minus 1 1. Then last delta 3. How to write the delta 3? So simply third column remove, add constant matrix. Third column 5 0 5. Then what is the first one? 1 4 minus 1. Second one minus 1 2 3. All of you got it? How to write the delta 1 delta 2 delta 3 matrix? Delta 1 means you need to remove the first column, then add constant matrix. Delta 2 you need to remove the second column, add constant matrix. Delta 3 remove third column, add constant matrix. Then you will get the 3 by 3 matrix. Then these 3 matrix convert into same as 2 by 2 matrix. Then apply the same procedure. Here you will get delta 1 value is 0, delta 2 value is 50, delta 3 value is 100. సేమ్ అండి, మనకు సేమ్ ప్రొసీజర్. మనకి ఈ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ వచ్చినాయి అంటే సేమ్ యాస్టిస్. ఈ 4 ఆపరేషన్స్ని యూజ్ చేసుకొని సేమ్ ప్రొసీజర్ అప్లై చేయండి. మళ్ళీ ఏం చేయాలి మనము, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ఫస్ట్ రో ఎలిమెంట్స్కి ఏం అప్లై చేయాలి మనం, 2 by 2 matrix apply చేయాలి. 2 by 2 matrix apply చేసినాక by using the determinant formula AD minus BC, then find out the values. You will get delta 1 value is 0, delta 2 value is 50, delta 3 value is 100. Now these 3 values substitute in the formulas. What are the formulas? X is equals to delta 1 by delta, y is equals to delta 2 by delta, z is equals to delta 3 by delta. Now substitute. What is the delta 1 value and 0 by what is the delta value and 50. 0 by 50 0. Next delta 2 how much, 50 by delta value 50. 50 ones are 50 ones are. So final answer 1. What is the delta 3 value, 100 by delta value 50. 50 ones are 52s are. So finally మనకి ఏమొచ్చిందండి, x y z. What is the x value, 0, y value 1, z value 2. So this is the Cramer's rule. The Cramer's rule method is nothing but simply you need to remember the 3 formulas like 3 terms, x y z. Delta 1 by delta, delta 2 by delta, delta 3 by delta. Delta is nothing but apply the determinant for the given matrix A. So this is the determinant procedure. Next delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. How to find out? Remove the first column delta 1, remove the second column delta 2, remove the third column delta 3. So this is the procedure for the Cramer's అండి. very simple question అండి, but most important 7 mark question according to first mathematics paper A లో 19th question most important question. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద Cramer's rule అండి. సో ఈ Cramer's rule పైన మనకు ఇంకా ఫర్దర్గా 4 to 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి. వాటిని నేను నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను. మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే అందులో చూసుకోండి. వెరీ సింపుల్ ప్రొసీజర్ అండి. చూసారు కదండి, ఓన్లీ డిటర్మినెంట్ ప్రొసీజర్ మనకు తెలియాలి. డిటర్మినెంట్ ప్రొసీజర్ వచ్చేసిందంటే మన Cramer's rule క్వశ్చన్ అయిపోయినట్టే. Thank you for watching my videos. So like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.